Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use the EyeMax 2 family of products. The EyeMax 2 is made for neonatal eye protection during phototherapy treatment. Following the instructions included with every EyeMax 2 product is important for optimal product use. We recommend that the EyeMax is applied by a caregiver or nurse. The EyeMax 2 comes in 3 sizes: regular, preemie, and micro. For reference, we have 3 different sized fruits that are within the same recommended circumferences as each EyeMax size. The size of the coconut is in line with the recommended circumference of the regular EyeMax, a grapefruit for the preemie EyeMax, and an apple for the micro EyeMax. The EyeMax 2 regular is made for an occipital frontal circumference of 12.6 to 14.9 inches or 33 to 38 centimeters. The preemie is for 10.4 to 12.6 inches or 26 to 32 centimeters, and the micro is for 7.87 to 10.4 inches or 20 to 25 centimeters. To measure the occipital frontal circumference, use a flexible measuring tape to gently wrap over the most prominent part of the back of the head and just above the eyebrows. To apply the EyeMax 2, disconnect the Velcro and position the eye pads over the eyes. Pass the lower strap under the small of the neck and attach the Velcro. Secure the Velcro of both straps. You don't want to tug on the EyeMax 2 to reposition, as a premature infant's skin is very delicate and can easily rupture. Make sure the strap completely covers the ears, but avoid obstructing the nose. If the eye patch rides up away from the nose, tighten the lower strap. Do not over-tighten and cause excessive pressure on the eyes. Make sure the strap is covering the ear, not hooked over the ear, and that the ear is not folded over. Once you've successfully applied the EyeMax 2, check it regularly to ensure proper fitment. Replace it with a new one if it becomes overstretched. The EyeMax 2 is for single patient use and should not be used cross-patient. Thanks for watching. For more information or questions on our EyeMax 2, visit us at maxtec.com.